So we have started related with the third unit, and in third unit we have just start the introduction, that is the effluent. Now we were discussing about the microbiology. So here we have just discussed which kind of microorganism we may be present there, the chemical characters slightly, uh, possible condition with respect to the effluent means waste from the dairy, waste from the tannery, waste from the textile, waste from the dairy, waste from the distillery. So it depends on the condition. Now we will start. We have discussed this thing. Okay, so we have come to this point. That is a formation related with the biofilm. Now here, when we are saying biofilm, so here it is important. It is important in secondary treatment. It is important in secondary treatment, and here the matrix which are using in packed bed reactor. So at that time, so we will have the beds, and these beds will have these beds will have microorganism, and here this microorganism which is having capacity, which is having capacity. Now here they are having capacity to secrete polysaccharide. Now this polysaccharide is secreted around. Now this polysaccharide is secreted around, and here when we are saying the chemical content, so here this chemical contents you can see in this slide. So here furanoflavorate, cyclic thiolactone, N-acyl homoserine. So here these are the some type of the polysaccharide, and here in this most polysaccharide, so here they are used. They are used as a for the connections with respect to the surface. Now here it is a one kind of means of connecting point for the bacteria, and here it is not for the individual bacteria, it is for the colony, it is for the colony. So it is a work, it is a work of the colony, it is not work of the individual bacteria, it is a work. And here in some cases, so there may be single means a culture, monoculture condition. In some case there is a collection means mixed culture. So it depends on the condition, it depends on the condition. And when we are seeing this thing, so here we are discussing this thing because they are important in secondary treatment of water, secondary treatment of wastewater, and here they are important in the packed bed reactor, fluid bed reactor, trickle bed reactor. So these are the important types. In that types, so this structure is there. So here we are discussing this thing. Now we are after the formation. Now here there is a one condition, quorum sensing. There is a condition, quorum sensing. So when we are saying the quorum sensing, so there is a signals, and these signals, now in case of the animal cells or eukaryotic cells, so there is a signal, and here these signals are, these signals are in the form of the some chemical. Suppose in case of the B cell, T cell, that is a immunogenic cell. So here there is a immune response, and this immune response in the form of the some chemical. For example, cytokine, interferon, uh, different types of the complement protein. So here these are the chemical messenger. These are the chemical messenger, and here same thing is present. Same chemical messenger molecule. Now here mostly these molecules are protein in nature. So there is a in some cases carbohydrates. In some cases both carbohydrates plus protein. Now here they are important with respect to bacteria, and this thing is for the formation of the structure. There is a biofilm. So here there is a secretions of the chemicals, and here these chemicals mostly protein nature. And so when this more condition that they are lightweighted, they are lightweighted means they are not having a complex structure because for the simplicity of the signal. So here after releasing of the chemical, so bacteria attract, and here when such signal are received, so there is a aggregation of the bacteria, and here there is a movement of the bacteria toward the chemical. So it is a chemotaxis, movement of bacteria toward the chemical. So it is a chemotaxis. So this chemotaxis means they will try to gather at a point where we want to form a biofilm. So after the formation of the biofilm, so it will provide the cover, it will provide the protection, and here it is a permeable. It is a permeable means the nutrient can pass through this membrane, and here it is one protection means it will protects from the bacteria like a dehydration condition, metal conditions, or radiation conditions. So it depends on the condition, and it is a protecting structure. So when this structure is formed, so here there is a different, maybe same or different bacteria will be there. So here it is important for the bacteria for the growth purpose. Now, after the bioping, so there are different conditions. So here means predation like bacteria. So here one example, Pagota alba. So Pagota alba is a bacteria, and here this bacteria is eating other bacteria. So it is under the heterotrophic condition. Then Spirillus mutans, Acromacter, it is not there for the predation, but it is present in a heterotrophic condition. And here Achromobacter is found in most waste material. So, and here it is found in condition where pH is slightly alkaline. pH is slightly alkaline, and here there is a presence of the more protein. So here it is useful for the degradation of the protein. Then Pseudomonas. Now we have the Pseudomonas, Alkaligens, Bacillus. So they are important with respect to the formation of the biofilm. Now we have Spirulocellus. So it is also important for the same condition. Flavobacterium. Now here it is for the same condition. Now here these bacteria, so is mostly these bacteria mostly important, and yet they in case of the Biota, so it is found in a sulfur like condition means when there is a sulfur is present, so here it is important for the reduction or oxidation of the sulfur, and here it is a extremophile. It is a extremophile, and it is archaeotype. So remaining are eubacteria, and it is a archaebacteria. So when we are saying archaebacteria, so what do you mean by archaebacteria, Vaishnavi?
ते हार्श कंडिशन मध्ये सर्वाइव्ह होतात.
Right? They are living in a harsh condition. So here and here again this thing that when they are living in harsh conditions, so here they will serve at extreme pH, extreme temperature. So here when there is sulfur, so sulfur is responsible for the acidic condition. So here and against elemental sulfur, most it will cause the oxidation condition. So here this thing may be present there. Now here Zoglia ramigera. Now here it is present in that waste material. Now we are moving for the bacteria which are mostly found in a secondary process. So here uh, that is the one condition, that is activated sludge. Activated sludge. So when we are saying activated sludge, so number of the cast to meaning is activated sludge. Activated sludge.
सर मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स ऍड करतात.
त्याच्यात मायक्रोजम ऍड करण्यात येते. ओके. Pallavi, what is activated sludge? Chaitra?
Sir, it is a sewage which contains the microorganisms active in active form.
Inactive form. Okay. Ashwini?
Sir, microorganism present as per the sludge मध्ये for the degradation of that sludge.
Prajakta?
So the organisms that are added in sewage treatment and they slowly break it down so it forms a activated sludge.
हे तुमची व्हिडिओ चालू करा बरं तुम्हाला ऍक्टिव्ह कोण कोण चेक करू द्या. Neha, what is activated sludge?
No idea, sir.
Okay. Vinayak? Vinayak?
हा सर स्लज मध्ये मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम ऍक्टिव्ह स्टेट मध्ये प्रेझेंट असणं म्हणजे
ओके. मिटकर?
सर तेच सांगायचं होतं the microorganisms present in a sewage
ओके. विवेक?
in active state.
विवेक?
फ्रिजच्यात बॅक्टेरिया आणि प्रोटोझोआ प्रेझेंट असतात सर वॉटर ट्रीटमेंटसाठी.
ओके. बॅक्टेरिया प्रेझेंट त्या ठिकाणी. So the most answer which I have given is not according to the condition. So when we are saying activated sludge, so here they bacteria is already present, but there is a mixing, and here this mixing means more amount of the oxygen is added, means activity is increased. Activity is increased. So here it is not related with bacteria as added. Bacteria are already present there, or in case Vivek, so amoeba or bacteria, they are already present. They are not externally added from outside, but just suppose they are present at the bottom due to the aeration, so they are mixed, and here there is a more air, so activity is increased. Activity means respiration, and here this respiration means more amount of utilizations of the nutrient which is present there. So that is the condition activated sludge. So here during this activation, now here there is a nitrifier. So as said earlier, so it is important with respect to your competitive exam. So Nitrosomonas nitrobacter. Now here in exam they will ask which kind of reaction is done by this bacteria. So here conversion of ammonium to the nitrous. So here this reaction is carried out by this nitrobacter and nitrosomonas. So it is a nitrifier, and next there is a bacteria which is means different from this. So here purple and non-sulfur. So again same condition. So they are important for the nitrogen fixation. So while doing this activity, so here they come together. Means nitrosomonas or nitrobacter or sulfur bacteria or non-sulfur bacteria. So here these bacteria come together. So when it will form cluster, it will form the cluster. So here when cluster is formed, so here its density has increased. Density has increased, and this increased density, so it will be fall down. It will be fall down, and because higher weight. So this condition now here one bacteria the so spirochetes type condition, that is a trichome. So here means filamentous. So again they are found there. Now here other conditions like the group which are important for the flux or the cluster. So it is a Pseudomonas we have discussed, Flebacterium, Alkaligens, Chromobacter, Cornybacterium. Now here Cornybacterium. So it is a this bacteria Cornybacterium is found from soil. So here in sludge, so it is a having waste material, and here it contains small amount of the soil, small amount of soil. So here Cornybacterium is there. Now we are this Corynebacterium again. It is a conversion means it is a utilizing carbohydrate. It is a means uh, carbohydrates are converted into water and CO2. Then Brevibacterium, Acinetobacter. Now, in case of the Acinetobacter, so here this species is important for the conversion, and here it is a acid producer. It is a acid producer. Bacillus, it is a growing different substrate, but most target is a protein structure. In most cases, target is a protein structure. And here example for the bacillus like condition means filamentous. So there is a Brevibacterium. So here these are the examples. So here while discussing the microbiology, so here you have to mention the given name. So Corynebacterium, Achromobacter. So in case of the Achromobacter, so here achromo means it is not having any color. So it is transparent condition. Alkaligens means it will have the alkaline like condition. And here Flavobacterium. So here it is related with flavonoids, and here this flavonoids is conditions with respect to the plant, and here this condition is responsible for the now this Flavobacteriums will attract out the flavonoids. Flavonoids is the alkaloid chemical compound secreted by the root hair, and here this is important for the formations like a rhizosphere structure. So here this condition filamentous one more bacteria Zuglia, so it is having like this structure we have seen here. This filamentous structure will be observed when there is a growth Zugli ramifery. Now here these bacteria filamentous or non-filamentous. So here we have seen, so they are present in a soil, means dust particle or in wastewater, but they are naturally means they are not a human interfere, or they are not introduced by the human beings. So they are created. They are enter after the means they are present there initially. They are not entered by the human activity. So they are with the bacteria we have discussed earlier. So they are naturally occurring in that site. So here now we are discussing the bacteria which are not present there naturally, but these are introduced. These are introduced by the human being. So here first condition or first group is a coliform. So here coliform is not present naturally. It is an intestinal bacteria which is present in intestine, and here we are seeing coliforms. So coliform means it is a releasing colicin. It is a releasing a chemical colicin. This colicin is inhibitor. Colicin is inhibitor for the other gram-negative bacteria. So it is a gram-negative specific antibiotic-like condition. Now we are in coliform. It includes Shigella, E. coli, typhoid means Salmonella typhi. So Salmonella, that Shigella and the E. coli. So these are the coliform, and here these groups all are gram negative. All are the gram negative, and here the test. Suppose if you done the immune test, so here you will find the mostly chemical biochemical characteristics. Now we are the Shigella type, that is the Salmonella or Escherichia. So all cause problem related with the intestine when consumed by the human being. So here it will cause diarrhea. That is a gastrointestinal problem. Gastrointestinal problem. So here this condition, and here this thing is when they are residing there, so they produce a toxin, and this toxin will not allow the entry of the sodium. So here sodium, when sodium is not entered, so there is a accumulation of more water, and here diarrhea like condition. So sodium potassium pump will be disturbed by the toxin produced by this species, and it will result in the diarrhea. Now we are when this bacteria is present in that water body. So here, in case of the coliform, so here they are acid producer. They are acid producer, and here we know that. So they can use lactose, they can use glucose. Again, but mostly they are not focusing, or their target is not a lipids or a protein structure. Their target is a carbon. So whole soul carbon source for them is a protein structure. Carbohydrate structure. So here and here when they are present, so here there is a gas formation. There is a gas formation condition occur. So these are some characteristics, and here uh, when they suppose if you want to check the quality of water. So suppose the bacteria we have discussed earlier. So here suppose this bacteria is found. So here it is a normal water, and it is not too much polluted. It is not too much polluted. But when there is a presence of the coliform occurs, so here the confirmation of the coliform can be done. Is done by the different methods. So here you can take the different that is a you can run UMIC test, or here is a multiple tube fermentation test, or you can run EMPN most probable number. So here depending on the facility, so here you can do the activity, and here suppose you will find the traces, or suppose the growth of the bacteria of the any that is E. coli or Salmonella or Shigella. So here they indicate that there is a human pathogen. There is an entry of the human pathogen, and this water is now polluted. This water is now polluted. So previously this condition, so it is not harmful. It is not harmful. So they are important for the biogeochemical cycle. And here this thing, so it is important with respect to the killing purpose. So it is not it is harmful for the human beings. It is important to the nature, but it is harmful for the human being. So it is a first group. Okay, it is the test. Suppose if you done the test, so here in liquid medium, so you will find this type of condition. So next group that is a protozoa. Now here protozoa, so it is a different types. So some are autotrophic, some are heterotrophic. The most member that is a heterotrophic, and here they are parasitic in nature. They are parasitic in nature. Some are chemodotrophs in parasitic nature. So example Plasmodium. So Plasmodium that is related with the malarious condition. So here some cases it will cause the dysentery, amoebiasis, paramecium, same condition. So when and here they are means in earlier bacteria. So here there is a condition they require high water activity. They require high water activity, more amount of water content. These bacteria, so water activity is not condition, but for the pathogen bacteria, E. coli or Shigella, so they require high water quantity. But here water quantity is not problem. So there is a different condition we will discuss here.